Good day, Green Thumbs. My name is Brandon, here with Easy Swap Pots, and today I wanted to show everyone how I'm going to go about transplanting out of our do-it-yourself seed starting containers, and that video we just released a few weeks back, so stay tuned. Alright, so here I am with my two early season broccoli varieties that I'm going to plant. Both of these are roughly 50 days to harvest, and I'm hoping with the low tunnel and just the fact that they're out here in April that they're going to make it. All these plants have been hardened off for roughly 10 days, give or take some. I do pull them in on real rainy days, and then I've been leaving them outside the last probably 3 or 4 days, going through the 30-degree temps, and they're holding up just fine. Some of them are a little spindly, but I'm not too worried about it. And I know it's hard to see because we got so many plants, but here are, sometimes the plants get caught. But basically, these are our famous Easy Swap transplantable pots. They all have a snap on each side that allows them to open up as a saucer. And then I was thinking to myself, man, I would really like to be able to plant more per tray. And I just went ahead and cut some plastic and put them in 2 pieces like this. And they would slide on each other, you know, and then I put them in there, and that gave me 4 cells per planter. So that allowed me to start, let's see, 8 of these fit in a flat. Multiply that by 4, I could start 32 plants now per flat and get perfect seed starts. And you don't have to use our fabric planters or our fabric pots in order to do that. You can go ahead and do that with any pot you have laying around. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this broccoli because it is a little bit more developed. I'm going to pop this off here. Again, this is all firsthand. I have not done this before. We should see how this works. Go ahead and dig a hole. I don't know if you can see them, but it's always good to see a bunch of worms. There's my hole. And if you can see that, we got a nice root structure there. We got 3 plants roughly coming out of here. I'll pinch the weakest ones out after I know that they've established. A little deeper than that. And no need to rough up the root ball when you're using fabric pots because it already automatically root prunes for you, which is the whole benefit of starting in fabric pots to begin with. So we got some wonderful roots, and we just got 1 transplanted. Just like that. Throw a little mulch down and around. Get my next one in. I wish you guys could see the roots a little better than what probably it's showing. But it's a real healthy, fibrous root system. There's a bee already. That's a good sign. Last year it seemed you hardly seen any bees. Again, with all these, after they survive for 10 days to 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and pinch the smaller ones or the least strong ones. Go ahead and get rid of the quack grass because we don't need that. There we are again. This one's only got 2. Both of them look extremely healthy. And the roots are healthy too. I'm excited about the potential of actually having some early season broccoli or cauliflower or cabbage. I'm hoping that I got them out early enough and with the low tunnel that we can get them before it gets too hot. But so far the nighttime temps have been hanging about 30 degrees. Daytime temps are anywhere from about 45 to about 70. Although that 70-degree blast only lasted about a week and we're back down to about 55, 60 on average. But all right, last one going in of this variety. And now that I got all the plants out, I can actually show you. So I just took 2 pieces of plastic. Once this is all snapped together, and like I said, you can use any pot that you have laying around, but you just need to measure the distance across and the distance down. Excuse me. Cut some plastic, and then cut slots in those plastic. Makes yourself the divider that you need, and then just put it in. And if you're using my handy dandy easy swap pots, you're going to want to put it in diagonally so that when you unsnap every side, one of the cells is free. So there we are. I got another set of broccoli to plant, but it's not going to matter to you as it doesn't change a thing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of this. Until next time, peace.